Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the types of price discrimination. Pigo has distinguished three degrees of monopoly power, namely first degree price discrimination, or number two, second degree price discrimination, and third degree price discrimination. यानी प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के थ्री टाइप्स बताए हैं. Now we discuss the first degree price discrimination or perfect discrimination. This type of discrimination involves charging different prices for all the different units of the commodity. Such prices are the demand price of each consumer, the maximum price that the consumer is willing to pay, thus no consumer surplus is left to the buyer. Let us take an example to understand it. Suppose a person purchases a 1 liter of petrol each week. If its price is rupees 30 per liter, 5 liters if price be rupees 28 liter per liter, and 10 liters if the price be 25 per liter. In the case of first degree or perfect price discrimination, the consumer is charged rupees 30 per liter for the first liter, rupees 28 per liter for the next 4 liters, and the rest 5 liters rupees 25 per liter. In this way, for 10 liters of petrol, he pays rupees 267. In this situation, the individual demand curve of the buyer becomes the marginal revenue curve of the seller, and the consumer gets no consumer surplus, which would have been rupees 27 had the consumer paid at the rate of rupees 25 per liter for all 10 liters bought. Second degree price discrimination. This type of price discrimination would obtain if a monopolist were able to make a separate prices in such wise that all units with a demand price greater than X were sold at a price X. All with a demand price less than X and greater than Y at a price Y, and so on. In this situation, price charged for each class of buyers is the minimum demand price for that category, and this type of discrimination is possible only when the demand for each buyer is inelastic at prices lower or higher than a particular price, and this situation has been depicted in the diagram. In the diagram, DD is a demand curve. The minimum demand price for OQ quantity is P1Q1. So OQ1 quantity will be sold at a price of P1Q1. The output Q1 Q2 will be sold a price of P2 Q2, which is the minimum demand price for this class of buyers. Similarly, Q2 Q3 amount will be sold at the minimum demand price of P3 Q3. Here some amount of consumer surplus is available to the consumers as shown by the shaded triangles. And third type of degree, price discrimination. It would obtain the monopolist was able to distinguish among his consumers and different groups separated from one another. one another more or less by some practicable practicable mark and could charge a separate monopoly price to be to the members of each group. Now okay girls.